ITIL Foundation today, and everybody is so excited to see what is new. It's a lot of fun because I see so many people over here who are motivated to learn the new things from ITIL version 5, and yeah, it's lovely to have them all here.
The mood in the room is very exciting. On the one side, the Congress is always a good mood booster. On the other side, they are very thrilled to hear about the changes from ITIL 4 to ITIL version 5. And on the other side, I have here the people that are always here, and they know ITIL very well. They know the SERVIEW, they know the Congress, and everything is fitting so well together.
ITIL is the main fundament for all service management in my point of view, and you can use it every day in my daily business.
Welcome to ITIL 5, welcome to the future.